Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can hide the balances on Kraken. In order to do so, here we are in the Kraken app, and what we're looking for is down at the bottom in the main menu, you're going to see the account option. We're going to go ahead and select the account option. And then on the next page that comes up, all we need to do is just scroll down a little bit and you can see here from the top going down, we have the option here that says hide balances. All we have to do is make sure that that is toggled on and we have successfully hidden our balances on Kraken. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.